What is a blue chip company? Let's talk about it. Don't know what the hand motions were, but I hope they were cool. Blue chip. I don't exactly know where this originated from, but I can tell you my overall thoughts and definitions on this term. A blue chip company normally comes from in a casino. When you have a blue chip, that is a higher valued chip. Okay, if you have a white chip, that's usually a $1 or $5 chip. A blue chip in the casino is a little bit more valuable, therefore blue chip. A blue chip company is a company that almost always pays dividends. And if it doesn't pay dividends, it is listed under one of the primary exchanges, which is the S&P 500. We talked about that in a previous video, the Dow Jones, the NASDAQ, or the Russell. Some of those indexes or indices, if that stock is part of that, is actually a blue chip company like Amazon. Amazon, I think a lot of people would argue, is a blue chip company, even though right now, at the making of this video, they do not pay dividends, just like Google. So a company, we talked about dividends in a previous video. If a company pays their shareholders dividends, most frequently that company is dictated and known as a blue chip stock. Apple, Walmart, Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, all great examples of blue chip companies. Anyway, I hope that helps. I love investing in blue chips. I like trading them. They're a lot of fun. Thanks for watching this video, and let me know what you want to talk about. Post in the comment section below, smash that red subscribe button, and let's keep enriching lives together. You rock.